I'm Lauren Blake with the Midtown Home Collective team at Berkshire Hathaway. Today, I'm at 17060 Kingsbridge Drive in Westfield. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, an office, and a beautiful spacious floor plan. Race on over to Kingsbridge today. The neighborhood is in the heart of Westfield, conveniently located to shops and restaurants, as well as offers a community pool, playground, and trails throughout.